If you want your skin to look fresh and youthful until old age, there are certain habits you need to adopt as part of your everyday skincare routine. Exfoliate your skin every day in order to remove the dead cells from its surface. Apply sunscreen whatever the weather is. It should be oil-free and moisturizer-based. Stay hydrated and drink plenty of water. Eat foods that are good for your skin. If you have constant dark circles, keep your eye creams in the refrigerator. After cleaning, massage your face with your fingertips in order to improve the circulation of blood and prevent the appearance of wrinkles. Take your makeup off every single night. Don't use the same towel on your face and hair. Beware when using hair products, since they can damage your skin. Don't touch the face with your hands, unless they are clean, because our hands are exposed to bacteria. Rub aloe vera gel regularly on your face and skin to lighten your skin and to make it soft and supple. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.